Heartiest greetings to one and all present here. Today, I, Ishika Seth from Maestro Teaching Solutions, wholeheartedly welcome you all. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves as an educational service provider that is managed by a panel of experienced and eminent educationalists with cumulative experience of more than 10 decades. We cater to the individual needs of schools, teachers, students, and parents by providing the best of job opportunities for them. We also conduct webinars and workshops for the students, teachers, and parents to enhance their learning experiences. We request you to stay connected with us till the end of the session, as a feedback form will be shared with you at the end. You're requested to fill the form to mark your attendance. Certificate of participation will be issued based on that. Now, I would like to introduce our resource person for the day, Ms. Ritu Chawla. Ma'am, it's a matter of great pleasure and honor to have you among us. Ma'am is a pioneer in the education sector with experience of more than 19 years in imparting various skill enhancement programs for students. Ma'am is a founder of Brains at Work Academy as well. She is a branch head of Brain Institute, Model Town and Pitampura branch. Ma'am is also an active member of the Dairy Cube Association as well. Ma'am, on behalf of Maestro Teaching Solutions, I wholeheartedly welcome you. I request you to take over the session.
Thank you, Vishika, for a lovely introduction. Good morning, all. Sorry, I got a bad throat in the morning, so kindly bear for my voice. So let's start with our Vedic Maths session. So today I'll tell you how the Vedic Maths has been started. So basically, the Vedic Maths is an Indian concept which has been developed by our own Indian rishis and munis. We will teach you few techniques which you can applicable to your modern maths. So basically, our Vedic maths is derived from our Vedas. You must have heard about the Vedas, children. Have you heard about the Vedas? Yes? Yeah? No? Okay. So there are 4 Vedas we have it. So in our Vedas, it is mentioned, like you know that India has developed the concept of zero infinity. Do you know this? India gave a birth to the concept of zero to the world. So all these things, you know, the basic mathematical things, it was developed by our Indian Rishi and Munis, and all the concepts are given in our Vedas. So Veda means a knowledge in Sanskrit. So the knowledge we are going to get and apply to the modern maths of the school. Vedic maths is basically a collection of techniques or a sutras to solve the mathematical problems in faster and an easy way. Okay, so Vedic maths consists of basically 16 rules and 13 sub-rules. So the rules are called as sutras in Sanskrit. Like we have a formula in the maths, children. You can give me the reaction like this. You know, they are the formulas, right? So, but here in Vedic maths, terminology, we will say it as a 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, which we can use it for arithmetic, algebra, linear equation. We can use it for Pythagoras, lot of things we can use it. Okay, so here, let's get started. Are you ready with your notebook? I want reactions, everyone. Yeah, there's a reaction board inside. So here I'm going to share the first technique of the Vedic maths. Children, I will be giving you a few sums to solve it, and you have to type the answer and send me in the chat box. Okay, are you ready? And if you're not clear with the concept, you can tell me to send it, you can converse through me in the chat box. Is it clear? Okay. So the first technique is very easy. The multiplication concept I'm going to teach you. Let's revise. If you maybe few of you must be clear with the concept. But let's revise so that it's a base making for the higher concepts of the Vedic maths. We need to develop the base for the Vedic maths so that we can do a bigger calculation. Okay? Where we can use Vedic maths, children? We can use it to do the sums faster. We can understand the school concepts in a better way. We can do the paper faster. We can avoid our rough work calculation. If you want to go for a higher level of competition exams, all these things will be applicable. Okay? So with the help of Vedic maths, the maths phobia will not be there. So let's get started. So the first concept I'm going to start is duplex method. Anyone knows the meaning of duplex? What is the meaning of duplex, children? Anyone can send me in the chat box. Duplex. You must have heard this term duplex, children. I'm waiting for the answer in the chat box. Come on. Type it. What is the meaning of duplex? Anyone? Double story building. That's right. Double. Yani ki group of two. First and second. It's a two. Duplex means a group of two. Right? So it's a group of two. So here we are going to start with a very easy technique of Vedic maths. So how we do 25 multiplied by 11. So in this school method, we do a horizontal multiplication. But through the Vedic maths technique, it is very easy to do. First, we are going to write down the ones answer. What is any number, you will see it on the ones value. We are going to write that. Okay. Then we are going to add duplex. This is making a group of 2. 2 plus 5. In second step, we are going to add 2 plus 5, which is 7. And in the third place value, in the third step, we will write whatever the number we have it on the tens place value, we are going to write. So the answer is 275. Is it clear? Clear? Please send me the reaction, children. I need a reaction. Only then we can proceed. Okay. One Drishna, Roy is not clear. Anyone? I'll repeat with the next concept. I'll repeat the concept again. The duplex means a group of 2, right? So next question is 63 multiplied by 11. Okay. So first we are going to write 3. The first. Wait. What I'll do, I'll pin myself so that everyone can see easily. Is it okay, children? Or shall I bring it to the spotlight? Look here. So 3. So at the ones place value, we have 3. So we are going to write 3 first. Then 6 plus 3. We are going to add these 2. It means a group of 2. So in the second step, we are going to add this. This will become 9. And in the third step, whatever the number we have it on the tens value, we are going to write this. 6, 9, 3 is the answer. Is it clear? Now is it clear? Okay. Why we multiply by 11 only? It's an easy technique. We have a lot of techniques. It's just that we are giving you the introduction. The webinar is to introduce you to the few skills of the Vedic maths. Okay. Now let's get started with the practice. Now children, write down the question. Write down the question. Keep your notebooks ready. I'm going to say to everyone, please write down. Yeah, it is done only. This is the method when we have 11. This is the method only when we have 11. Okay, Anvita, Advita and Advika. Your query was, this is the only technique we use it when it is 11. Okay, so now get ready for the next question is 76 multiplied by 11. Quickly, 76 multiplied by 11. Second question, I'll give you 3 questions. Second question, 84 multiplied by 11. Write down 84 multiplied by 11. Third question, 68 multiplied by 11. 68 multiplied by 11. So now, yes, it helped us definitely. I don't know who is this Lenovo tab. I can't recognize you as a name. So I will be replying you as that, yes, it helps us to do calculation faster. Okay, Vidit has done it. Vidit, can you type the answers in the chat box? Those who have done, they can send me the answer. First answer, absolutely right with it. Second, yeah, first answer is 836. Second answer is 924. Correct answer. Third answer is 748. Perfect. Anyone has a doubt? You can send me in the chat box. Anyone has a doubt? I can proceed to the next concept. No. Okay. No, Bhavya Hari, your concept is not clear. Saksham has a doubt. I take up again. See, I gave you a sum 76 multiplied by 11. So this technique says when we have a 11 at the end, we are going to use this concept. See, it's a very easy way. We are in the school, if we are doing a school method, it will take a longer time to do it. We have to do it like this. Right? And this way we can do it mentally. We can do it less than, if we are doing, we can do it less than in 5 to 6 seconds. See, the first number is, we have to write down 6 at the end. The first step is, whatever the number you have it at the end, we have to write down 6. Second step, there's a duplex. Duplex means a group of 2. We will add 7 plus 6. This will become 13. So we will write down only the ones value. So it is 13. We are going to write one's value is 3. We are going to write 3 here and 1 will be carry on. 1 will be carry on. Okay. So next, we will now, the last step, we will add 7. 7 plus 1. We will write 7 and the carry on is 1. So the answer is 8, 3, 6. I hope the method is clear to you now. Yeah, I can see the reactions. Please, children, I love to see the reactions. Please keep on saying. It's so easy. We all are on a digital platform. We have this. So we have this, a reaction system. So is it clear? Can we proceed to the next concept? Yeah, very good. I can see a lot of positive reactions. Okay. Can we go to the next step, children? Okay, can we start, children? Can we move to the next? Let's do it. A next concept, a higher concept in this. Now we will learn a 3-digit multiply by 2-digit. Okay, so like 4, 3, 2 multiply by 11. Is it clear? So now 100-digit multiply by 11. So this 6148, it is a wrong answer. Hawaii Media had sent me the answer. I explained it. The answer is wrong. So now here I'm going to start. Very good, Hardik. That answer is right. But understand the concept, how we are going to do it. Okay, children? So first of all, it's a duplex method. And the duplex method means we need to have a group of two. In this sum, we are going to create two groups. Group number 1, group number 2. Is it clear? We can create two groups of 2, right? Group number 1 and group number 2. Is it clear? Clear to all? Yeah. Now the same method we will start. Now the same technique we will start. We will start from the ones place value. We will write 2 first. Then next the group number 1 we are going to add. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then we are going to add this group number 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then we are going to write down the hundredths place value over here at the first step. So now my answer is ready. 4, 7, 5, 2. See, the same technique we can use it for the 100-digit multiply by double digit when it's a case of 11. Bhavya, I think so you are clear with the concept. You're nodding your head. Yeah. Ayan Khanna, is the concept clear to you? Send me. Harshit Singh, you want me to repeat? I'll repeat. So duplex, as I told you, it's a group of 2. So we are going to start the sum again with this method. So my second example sum is 354 multiplied by 11. Okay. So as we were discussing it earlier, 5 plus 4, like we have a 3-digit sum. We can create two groups here. Group number 1, group number 2. Is it clear? Now, the same method we are going to start again. 4, right? We will start from the end. 4, then 5 plus 4 is 9. Then we will add group number 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then we are going to write down the hundreds place value as it is. So ones and 100 place numbers, we will write 100 number at the beginning and the ones number at the end. So easy. Here is my answer. Is it clear? Send me the reaction, children. I'm waiting for the reaction. Yeah. Very good, Himanshu, Pragati. You gave me the right answer. Vidit says yes. Pragati says yes. Saksham is also clear. So can I give you 3 example sums to solve? Are you ready? So now, are you ready? Yeah. Everyone is nodding. Okay. So here we start. Sorry. So now I'll give you 3 example sums. Let's get started. 6 to 7 multiplied by 11. 6 to 7 multiplied by 11. Okay. Next question. 7, 6, 8 multiplied by 11. 7, 6, 8 multiplied by 11. Next, 4, 8, 7 multiplied by 11. 4, 8, 7 multiplied by 11. I repeat the second question. 7, 6, 8 multiplied by 11. Please check. I want a correct answer. Third question. 4, 8, 7 multiplied by 11. Correct. Lot of right answers. I'm happy that you got the concept. Even Advidit is giving right. Anuj is giving a right answer. Advita is giving a right answer. And Anuj, again, you give the right answer. Harshit, right answer. Nihar, well done. Right answer. Very good. Aradhya want me to explain it again. Aradhya, I'll start again. See, it's duplex means a group of two. Here we are going to have a group of two numbers. So here in this sum, we are going to create two groups first. 5 plus 4 and 3 plus 5. So this is group number 1 and this is group number 2. Then we are going to start from the last at ones place value. We are going to start from here. First, we are going to write this number as it is. Second, 5 plus 4, we are going to add at group number 1. So this is 9. Then we are going to add group number 2, 8. And then whatever the number we have it on the 100 place value, we are going to write like this. Is it clear? No, Advita, second answer is wrong. We can't have a, it's a 6-digit answer. That's wrong. See, when we add a group and it becomes a double-digit answer, we will write a ones place value and the tens will be added on to the next number. What is the answer of 7, 6, 8 multiplied by 11 is 8, 4, 4, 8. Yeah, correct. Okay. So now the second method is clear to all. Yes, I want a reaction, children. Only then I can proceed. Please use your digital platform to give the reaction. See, we love to see the reaction like this. There's so many reactions, we can do it. Please, children, only then we can proceed. Shivai Malhotra, no reaction. Harshit, Harpreet, please, Nehar, give us reactions. Anuj, Meenakshi.
Adya Mishra showed heart. Ayan,
Yeah.
thumbs up. Nihar, thumbs up. Yashika, thumbs up. Wonderful. Oh, Drishna has shown bingo. Wow.
Wow.
So all of you are enjoying.
Great. You know,
Yes,
there's so many reactions, you know. Children,
Yes,
we all are in digital world, so we should use the technology. Right? Chalo. Can we proceed to the next third concept? Are you ready, children? Yeah. Okay. So one student have a doubt that 7, 6, 8 multiplied by 11. How we are going to do it? Okay, I'll take that. So this is someone's doubt in my chat box. So I'm taking up a doubt sum. 8. See, here we are going to create two groups. Group number 1, group number 2. Duplex means a group of 2. So first we are going to write down the ones place value as it is. 8. Then 8 plus 6 is 14. So we are going to write only 4 and 1 will be carried on. We can only write one digit only at a time. It's a basic maths rule. If you have seen it in the school, we are doing multiplication. If you observe it, we can write only one place value only. And next will be carrying on. When we have a double, these types of sum we are doing in the school also the same way. Next, 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 1, which was carried on. We will add 4, right? And 13 ka 1 will again, we will carry on. Then, whatever the number we have it on the 100 place value, it is 7 plus 1 is 8. So, this is the answer. 8, 4, 4, 8 is the answer. Is it clear? Yeah? So, I hope. No, this method cannot be used in all the tables because it is only applicable to the rule of 11. Okay, there are different rules for different types of multiplication. We have a lot of different variations in that. Okay, so coming to the next thing. Do you want to learn more types of multiplication or squares? Do you know what are squares, children? Do you know what are squares or double in the school math? Okay, I want Bhavya Hari to type what do you mean by double? There's a term we use in maths, double. What do you mean by that? Send me in the chat box. Anyone, you know what is the meaning of double? Please send me in the chat box. Think, little brainstorming is required. Think, we all are learning maths in the school. No, double is not square, which is wrong. Double means 2. Yeah, double means 2. A thing which is 2 times. Perfect. And the square, what do you mean by term square? No, there's a difference between double and a multi. Square. Yes, when we multiply a number with a number itself. See, I'll tell you. There's a difference. When we talk about a square and double. See, this is a basic school method which is not being clear to the children. 5 plus 5 should be 10. Double means when we add a number to the number itself. Right? And in square, when we multiply a number to a number itself. There's a difference of answer here also. The children will give me the answer. Ma'am, double means 5 multiplied by 5. A square is also 5 plus 5. No, the square, when we multiply a number and in a double, we will add a number to a number itself. Right? See, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So there's a difference in the result. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So children, you should be clear with the basic maths funda. What is square and what is double? Okay, is it clear to all? Yeah? Okay. So now, we are going to do the squares. Yeah, that is called as square. Very good. Double means, and now I'm getting a right definition. That's nice, children. I hope this session will be a knowledgeable for you because we are learning about the school concept and these small things will help you in clarify your school concept and add on to your mathematical skills also. So now we are you ready for the squares? Are you ready? Okay. So now who will tell me? What is the square of 7? Anyone can type an answer and say. Open to all. Square of 7.
Aradhya, are you facing any trouble? You are not able to understand the concept? Write in chat box.
Ma'am, Aradhya is in class 3, right?
Yes.
So she must be this
okay.
higher for her.
Aradhya, we will explain you again.
Yeah,
right?
No problem. Aradhya, please wait. I'll explain. Correct. The 7th square, I'm getting right answer. So now we are going to learn. It's so easy. 9 square is 81. 6 square is 36. 5 square is 25. Single digit, it's so easy. And we are learning in our tables also. Now we are going to introduce you the square from how to calculate squares from 51 to 51. And you can do it like this. Less than 30 seconds. Maybe with the practice, you can do it in less than 15 seconds also. Okay, so here we will start. So first thing we are going to learn here is how to find out a square of 53. How to find out a square of 53. Okay, so it's a double digit big number. So if we find out with the school method, we will do it 53 multiplied by 53. Right? We need a paper. We need to write down like this and do it. And it will take not less than, we will take 1 minute to find out. But here we are going to do it in less than 30 seconds. It's so easy. Please, children, give your full concentration to understand this concept. And this is very useful. You can take out the squares orally. You can play a game with your parents, with your friends. And it is so interesting. It's a new game. Find out the squares without paper and pen. You can do it mentally also. It's a fun game. So, let's start. See, the Vedic maths is based on the distributive property. I hope you, like all of you are in class 5 above, you must have learned what is distributive property. Do you know what is distributive property? Give me the reaction, yes or no. Yes? No. Achha. In the school, you have not learned. Few of them have learned. Okay. With it, can you say yes or no? You have learned distributive property? Kavya. Yes, Kavya. Yes, Kavya. No. Okay. I tell you. See, it is based on the distribute. How we are going to split this number? We can divide this, distribute the number like 50 plus 3. Right? It's a base of 0. See, in Vedic maths, we need to have a base, some distribution. 50 plus 3 will make it 53 children. Right? Like 102. So, how we are going to distribute? 100 plus 2 with a base of 100. 50, 100, 10, 1000. These numbers, which is easy. 5 multiplication is easy. 10 multiplication is easy. I hope you agree on this. Right? So, this is called as a distributive property. Suppose we have 56. So, how we are going to distribute? 50 plus 6. 50 the base hai na? We need to have a base. 50 is a common base. Again, 51. 50 plus 1. This is called as a distributive. We need to have a distributive. Yes, but it's a little different way, Anvita, the method you have. Yeah. Darshana Roy is also in class 3. Paramjeet. Yes, maybe the method, the squares. Yes, children. The squares you will be learning in class 6th and or 7th. So this is very useful. And if you go for any competitive exam in future, this is very useful. So maybe in class 3, class 4 children, 5 children, they are not introduced to the concept of squares yet. So maybe they are finding it little difficult. I'm saying little. I'm adding a word little. Okay. So please be patient. You can pick it up. Let's start. How we are going to do it. Again, we are going, just a minute, children. So 50 plus 3. We are going to distribute 50 plus 3. Is it clear? First thing, we have distributed 50 and plus 3. Is it clear to all? Yes, the first method is clear, I hope. Now I am proceeding to the next. Now, what is a half of 50? Now our second step is to find out a half of 50. What is the half of 50 is 25? We can keep 25 in the mind. I am writing, but you can keep it in your mind. Okay, I'm writing, you can keep it in your mind when you're doing orally. Please practice. When I'm explaining you, you can after this, we will practice orally also. 2, 5, right? Then we are going to add 25 में 3. Whatever is the base. Here we have 50 plus 3. We are going to add 3 to 25. So it will become 28. Right? So I got 2 answers. First and second place value. 28. Got it? Then with whatever the number is adding here. Suppose it is plus 3. Okay. So 3 ka square. What is a 3 ka square is? 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. As I discussed, everyone knows what is the square of 3. 3 ka square is 9. And children, hang on. Little twist is here. We need all the squares to be a double-digit square. Reason being, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. It's a double-digit answer. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. It's a double-digit answer. So we should have a uniformity. Even see, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Double-digit. 4 multiplied by, 7 multiplied by 7 is again 49. Correct? So all you see from 4 to 9 are double digit. Except the square of 1, 2 and 3 which is a single digit answer. So we will put 0 in front of those square. So 3 square is 0, 9. So answer is 2809. My answer is ready. Okay? I hope little bit it is clear. I'll take an example number 2 for you also. Nothing to worry about it. I hope it's maybe 10%, 20% is clear. So I'm going to take example number 2 so that it will be clear to all. Yes, children, I'm going to repeat. I know. See, let's do it. 54 ka square. Okay. So how we are going to distribute? 50 and plus 1. Same method. Correct? Now, what is the half of 50? The half of 50 is 25. Then we are going to add 4 to the 25. 4 to the 25 makes 29. And then we are going to write down the square of 4. What is the square of 4 is 16. Right answer. You can check on the calculator also. You got a right answer. Yeah. Yes. Lot of queries. 3 digit. Will teach you step by step. Please understand this concept first. Only then we can proceed. Please understand this concept. Again, Ritu ma'am is saying to repeat. I'll go step by step. Okay. We need to. There are a lot of things we have it in Vedic maths, but we need to go step by step. Yes, Himanshu, you have a doubt. What's Himanshu? Tell me. Now, most of the children I'm getting, yes, understood. But Himanshu has a doubt. What is your doubt? You can type to me. I can clarify right now. Okay. So let's practice this concept. Okay. Children, now Himanshu will take time to type. Rest of the children. Sorry, children. So write down, I'm giving you few example sums. You need to find out. Find out the square of 55. Second, find out the square of 51. Find out the square of 56, third number, and 58. 4 digit. 4 digit. 4 numbers I am giving you. 55 square, 51 square, 56 square, 58 square. Please practice only. Repeat the question. I repeat. First question is find out a square of 55. Second, find out a square of 51. Third, find out a square of 56. Fourth, find out a square of 58. 2925 is a wrong answer. With it, redo the last one. Rest all are right. Jia, your first is right. Neha, right. Second is 21. No, it is not 21. That's wrong. It's 51. Right, Neha, Jia, right. Third is right. Ananya Prasad. Correct. Good children. I'm happy that you are learning something online, and webinars are so useful during this pandemic time so that we can continue our learning and enhance our skills. So thanks to our technology, just imagine if internet and online session would not be there for last 2 years, what would be your growth level? Just imagine. So we should be thankful to the technology so that at least we have a growth, we are with age, we are learning something. Yes, Jia, the right answer. David, you got a wrong answer. Most of the children are giving me the right answer now. Is it clear to all now? Please send me the reaction, then we can go to the topic number 4. I have shortlisted very easy topics for you so that you can enjoy the learning session of Vedic Maths with us. Okay, Saksham has a doubt. I'll take up the doubt. Saksham, where you made a mistake, I'll explain. See, I'm explaining you the square of 51. First of all, we are going to do it on the distributive property. 50 plus 1. Clear? So now, what is the half of 50? Is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. And square of 1 is 0, 1. We want a double digit. As I told you, from 4 to 9, all the squares of double digit. Here, we are going to have a uniformity. That means square of 1 will be double digit, square of 2 will be double digit, and we will put a 0 in front of that. 0, 1. So the answer is 2601. Okay, Saksham? Yes, the square of, the rule is from 51 to 59. This rule, when we have to find out a square from 51 to 59, only then we can use it. Okay, children? Now, 3 ones also. We'll tell you. Lot of, yes, Arush. Arush is confused. Okay. Let's start with the topic number 4, children. I want a reaction again. Are you ready to pick it up? Yes? Yes, children? I need reaction. Come on. Some reactions. Shivai reaction. Prisha reaction. Anuj, Devik, Siddharth. Some reactions, children. Akshit Gupta reaction. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to same technique we are going to use for other squares, but Please, children, make a note. This method is from 41 to 49. So now we are going to learn the squares from 41 to 49. I hope you know the square of 50. Now what is the square of 50? Type and send. Type and send. It is so easy. I don't have to teach you. No, 50 ka square is not 25, children. Yes, Bhavya. Wrong. Darshna tha. Vidhi, it's wrong. 100 is not the answer. Gia, wrong answer. 25. 5 into 5. Yes. Now children are giving me the right answer. 100 is a wrong answer, beta. It cannot be 100. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 and 2 zeros at the end. Not 500, Jia. Harshit, no, beta. It should be 2 zeros. Clear? Yes. Now let's proceed to this. How we are going to find out a square of 49. Here I'm going to teach you the technique, the square of 49. Okay, so let's get started. Again, 49 is closer to 50. We are going to take a base of 50. And since it is a smaller than 50, 53 was bigger, so we did adding. Now the twist is, this is the smaller, we are going to subtract. It is smaller than 50, we are going to subtract. When it is a higher than 50, we are going to add. Is it clear? The concept is clear. Logically, the logics of the maths are clear. It is closer. When it is a smaller, we subtract. When it is a bigger, we add. Now is it no? Darshna, see, 49 is smaller than 50. So we are going to minus because it is smaller. How we will get 49? 50 minus 1, we will get 49. Only by subtracting we are going to get 49, no? Not by adding. So this is the logic of the maths. Okay? 50 minus 2 is 48. This is the logic of the maths. So how we are going to do 48? 50 minus 2. If we are going to subtract 2 from 50, we are going to get 48. If we do it even mentally also, if you see it on the school maths also, this is the logic. Clear? So how we are going to get 46 through the distributive property of 50? Children, tell me. 46. 50 minus 4. Advita, very right. Right. Not 6, beta. 50 minus 6, you will get 44. I said 46. Yeah. Yes, Ananya Prasad. Now it is right. Is it clear? Now is it clear to all? Now let's proceed to the next. The square of 40. Here now 50. Again the base of 50 and minus 1. So now same. Half of 50 is 25. Now next, the only twist is it's a subtraction sign. We are going to subtract from 25. In 50 concept, we added. Here, it's a subtraction sign. So here we are going to subtract from 25. 24 and the square of 1 is 0, 1. Answer is 2401. Clear to the children? We'll take example number 2. Okay, I repeat this example. Example number 1. 50 minus 1. I hope this is clear. How we will get 49? Through the distributive property 50 minus 1. Okay. So now next step is we have to subtract we have to see the half of 50. What is the half of 50? Is 25. Clear? Now 25 minus 1. Here we are going to do 25 minus 1. Clear? So if we minus 25 may say 1, it is 24. And what is the square of 1 is 0, 1. Okay, children. Now let's get to the example number 2. Square of 44. How we are going to find out a square of 44? 50 base and 50 minus 6. If we are going to minus 6 from 50, my answer will be 44. Logically, as per the maths rule. As per the maths rule, it is going to be the minus 6. Maybe, okay, I'll try to be a little louder since my voice is not audible in few of you. So now 50 minus 6 is 44. Now half of 50 is 25. 25 minus 6. What is 25 minus now? Now the step number 3 is 25 minus 6 is 19. Clear? And what is the square of 6 is 36. The only change is subtraction. The method is same. The only change is subtraction. Here it's a smaller than 50. We are subtracting. When it is bigger than 50, we are adding. Clear, children? Yes, Vidit, your answer is absolutely right. Okay. Can we do to the next? Shall I give you the example sums? Are you ready? Sure. Square of 64. Hang on. We will tell you everything. But let's go step by step. Create a base for the Vedic maths. We need to create a base. These things will be used to solve the bigger sums. Okay? Sure. So now, fine. Write down the squares. Yeah, it only works perfectly. From 40 to 60. Not to 50. It works from 40 to 60. Advika had a query. So Advika, you can update your notes. It is from 40 to 60, not to 40 to 50. So write down the practice questions, children. And then send me the answer. So the first is 42 square. Write down the square of 42. Second, write down the square of 46. (49 square). Yeah. Find out 42 square. I repeat, first question, find out the square of 42. 44. Third, 46. Fourth, 49. And fifth, 47. (240 is a wrong answer. First answer I got right from few of you. Hardik, your few answers are wrong. Darshna, first answer is right. Please write down the answers. Yes, there's a method to do the square root. You need to wait. First, you need to learn this. I hope no one is using the calculator. Keep the calculator device away from you. We need to do some mental exercises. We are too dependent on our mobiles. Parents, if you are there in the webinar with the child, please make sure they are not using the calculator. Give them some mental exercises. We are too dependent on mobiles. Yeah, correct answers. Anaya Prasad, both are right. 46 square is right, Neha. Correct answer, Nehar, for the next fourth also. Yes, now, children, you are able to do it. Yeah, Nehar, it's right. Is it clear to all? Can we do one last easy method? A last easy method. Very easy. Maybe if you have seen how to find out a square ending with 5, it is easy. Do you know? If you have to find out a square of 15, square of 25, square of 35. Yes, few of the children, they know. They are giving me the answer. Yes. Yeah, but still I repeat, it's a last topic of the day. I'm going to start. It's so easy. Let's do it. So those who have not learned, I'm going to repeat. It's so easy. And it's magical. You can do it mentally also. How to find out a square ending with 5, which is applicable for 2-digit number from all the numbers from 15 to 95, ending with 5. All the numbers, the same rule will be followed. Okay? So now, it's so easy. We are going to do it. 5 square. What now? We have to find out a square of 5 first. It's so easy. 25, we know. I have taught you. The square of 5 is 25. Now come to the tens place value. Here it is 1. What is the successor of 1? It is 2. Right? So whatever the number, we have it on the tens place value. We are going to multiply with the successor. We are going to multiply with the successor. 1 multiplied by 2. Clear? 2 ones are 2. So the answer is 2 to 5. Let's do it. Second example. The square of 25. Again, we are going to write down the square of 5 first. 25. Come to the tens place value. 2 multiplied by its successor. 2 multiplied by the successor is 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. My answer is ready. Clear? Clear? Easy? Easy, easy, easy. Yes or no? I want reaction. Duhan the yog with it. Abhi we can't teach. VEDIC is telling us the different sutras. Okay, I'll tell with one more example. Let's come to the square of 35. Write down the square of 5 first. 5 ka square is 25. Clear? 5 square is 25. Now come to the tens place value. It is 3. Now find out the successor of 3. What is the successor of 3 is 4. Then multiply tens number with the successor. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 1, 2, 2, 5 is the answer. Easy? Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am, it's really wonderful. Ritu ma'am, it's really so easy techniques. No, maths is going to be a real fun for all of us.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, children, give me the reactions, children.
Anyone who want to say something? Shall I switch on the camera? Unmute you? Just raise your hands. Vidit wants to say. Okay.
Yes,
Vidit,
ma'am.
unmute
Vidit,
yourself.
say, beta.
Vidit, can you unmute yourself? Mm.
This small session is only to make everyone aware that we have virtual library.
I don't know where he has gone.
No, Vidit's voice is not audible actually.
Vidit, you need to unmute yourself.
No, he is unmuted.
Okay. You can write your messages in the chat box.
Yeah, that's lovely, man. That's a good idea.
From there, itself, right? So,
Ritu ma'am is reading all the messages. Nihar wants to say something. Nihar, type in the chat box.
Please type.
virtual library.
I want to. Advita and Advika. Okay.
We are waiting for your feedbacks.
We will be sharing a feedback form there in the chat box. Once the session is over, I will actually post it in the box. You can fill up the feedback. Right? I hope all of you enjoyed the sessions. Want to have more? Wow. Bhavya showed thumbs up. Yes. Wonderful. Vidit, Swastika even. Wonderful. Hardik, Krishna, Disna. Wonderful. Aradhya. Wow. So you can contact me whenever you want to have these sessions. Ma'am takes these sessions regularly, right? Okay. Ritu ma'am, it's really wonderful session. Our students enjoy it a lot. Thank you very much.
I also loved it.
Taking out time from your busy schedule and taking
Thank
this
you.
session with us.
Yes.
It's really great honor to have you with us. Yes,
Thank you,
Advita and Advika are saying it's a great session. We loved it. Ashit is saying it's wonderful session.
Thank you.
Wow, Hardik, wow. Thank you very much. I had shared the feedback form in the chat box. Click on the link and give your feedback. Thank you, Ritu ma'am. Thank